The CJP protest movement is entering a crucial phase, and there are some major developments you need to know. First, the Cockroach Janata Party has announced a 2-day convention on August 5th and 6th to decide the future of the youth movement. So, will CJP decide to formally enter politics? Could this become the country's next youth-led political party? We are likely to get those answers after August 6. The second big development revolves around the FIRs filed against protesters. The government had earlier assured that these FIRs would be withdrawn, but that promise is yet to be fulfilled. With the cases still pending, the CJP has now approached the Supreme Court seeking relief. After hearing multiple petitions on August 3rd, the Supreme Court clarified that the state government has the power to withdraw the FIRs. At the same time, it observed that action can still be taken against individuals with prior criminal records or those accused of serious offences. But that's not the only story making headlines today. Since yesterday, political discussions have been dominated by Prashant Kishore's victory in the Bakipur by-election. The seat had remained with the BJP for more than 31 years, making the result politically significant. Many political observers believe growing anger among young voters may have played a role in Prashant Kishore's victory. This remains an interpretation, not an established fact, but it has certainly reignited the debate over whether CJP protest is beginning to influence electoral outcomes. After the CJP protest, a new student movement is gathering momentum in Jharkhand. Since July 29, hundreds of students have been protesting in Ranchi against the 14th Jharkhand Public Service Commission preliminary examination held on April 19, 2026, alleging irregularities in the recruitment process. The demands are clear: cancel the exam, order a CBI investigation, and ensure a transparent recruitment process. As the agitation intensifies, student leader Devendranath Mahto has begun an indefinite hunger strike on August 2nd, raising the stakes of the movement. Cockroach Janata Party leaders Abhijit Dipke and Ashutosh Ranka held a video call with leaders of the Jharkhand student protest. During the conversation, they expressed solidarity with the protesters and said that the CJP would raise the demands of the students of Jharkhand in the coming days. That's it for today's briefing. Follow Newsreel Asia for verified updates and the latest developments on the CJP movement.